fix me. Still together in that rain. So whatever that come with me. And my children will just know when we envision. So hard to show my love, no, I ain't make the best decision. I'm sitting here just thinking how we let a boss or coach become so distant. Take your pain and her the only one that should be supposed to fix it. There's no.
Yo, what's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Dev, and I'm back with another informational video. My boat just touched down yesterday. It's about time. It's been like a month since the customers have been waiting for just this tea. I got about like 160 orders to pack, but I know some of you guys who are starting a clothing brand don't know what the process is of shipping an order or packing an order. So today I'm gonna be bringing you along with me to show you guys how to ship an order, how to get labels, how to get the labels for the cheapest way. It's a few ways that you go. I know a certain way to get the cheapest price possible. Everybody does it differently, so I'm gonna just show you my way. If you want to follow my way, you can. If you don't want to, then that's up to you. If you haven't watched, you see in the background, my latest video is up. It's a mini vlog of just me taking photos. If you want to go watch that, I'll leave the link in the description. For this bulk right here, it took like a month and a half for it to come in because I just switched manufacturers through the whole process. So the tea is not perfectly how I want it to be, but I mean, it is what it is. Everybody's been waiting. The next video you see will probably be me shipping the orders, so stay tuned for that. But as of right now, let's get into how to make a shipping label. Alright, so first thing you want to do, you want to make sure you have everything that you need to ship a label. So if you don't know, these are poly mailers. You can get these in packs on Amazon. This is a roller printer. This is where you print your labels. Not everybody gets the same one because the roller printer is more expensive. This is like probably like $200, but you can go get any type of thermal printer and it'll be good. This one just comes with like you don't gotta buy your own ink, so it's like, I don't know, I guess it's just better. And then obviously you need your shipping labels. You get this for free on UPS. Make sure you get the 4x6 labels, and then you just need a little computer to ship everything. I'm running low on poly mailers, so I'm probably gonna get some more of those soon. I got extra shipping labels in the back, and then obviously you need the pieces that you're gonna ship out. So that's basically everything you need to ship orders. This is how the Shopify web page looks for everybody who doesn't know. If you have a clothing brand, then you should obviously know how this page looks. So when you want to ship your orders, all you gotta do is go to your orders, and it'll show you the amount of orders you have to ship out. So then say you want to pick out one individually, or if you want to do bulk buying for like the shipping labels, you just click right here, and it'll click all of what you want to do. But I don't like to do that because, like, say this one, I had to refund this order, they might still ship that label out. Or this is my boy who lives right around the block from me, I don't want to buy that label, that's a waste of money. So I don't do it that way. But say you want to just click a random name. So like I said, this is my boy from down the block, so I'm going to click on his name, and then this shows what he bought, and then you go create shipping label, and this is the order summary right here to show how much the shipping label is. And then it will say the shipping date, which the shipping date is kind of relevant because that doesn't really matter. But then this is right here, this says send shipping information to customers now. So if you're not shipping their labels like within a few days of you buying it, I don't suggest that you send the shipping information, because then customers are going to be DMing you or emailing you, oh, they got the tracking number, but it says it's not in the system, blah blah blah. So I like to buy the shipping label once I'm about to ship the items out. This shows all the services that you could pick from. As you can see, USPS is the cheapest one, so that's why it's on that one. And I charge $10 for shipping no matter what. No matter where you could be right my neighbor, or you could be in fucking Nebraska. It's gonna be the same price, $10 for each one, because no shipping label is really over $10 unless it's like international. But if you want to change it, say you have UPS is the closest to your house and USPS is 40 minutes away, you want to go to UPS, you could just click right here and it changes it all for you. But these are all the prices for shipping. And then you can also do FedEx if you want, but I don't do FedEx, I do USPS. If you don't know, this is the sizing for the poly mailers, 12 by 15 by 1, and you do 0 pounds. So this is what you want to do for poly mailers. If you want to screenshot that, you can. So then once you go to buy shipping label, oh shit, I just purchased it, I'm bugging. Alright, so I accidentally bought one of my niggas who lives fucking right around the road from me. But this is how it look when you purchase it. And then once you want to print it correctly, you want to go by 4x6. Don't do anything else, because that's the size of this roller printer right here. 4x6, that's the size of these labels. So then once you want to click print documents, it's gonna print out what he ordered, which is this hoodie right here, and it's gonna be his address. So I'm gonna show you later on how that looks once I print all those out. So the way I just showed you was the way through Shopify, but like I told you guys, I don't use Shopify. I use something called Pirate Ship. So with Pirate Ship, you usually want to download the app on Shopify. So what you want to do is you want to make an account, create everything, do your rates, and do like your packaging settings like that. So then once you get through all that, to get your labels from Shopify, you want to click import from Shopify. As you can see, I already did it. I'm shipping out 161 labels. Once you hit import from Shopify, it's gonna show all the orders that you want to import. Normally it will show all your orders that you want to ship out, but as you can see from earlier, I told you I did it all already, so it's all in the cart for me. So this is how it will look, and you could just hit all these like to check them all off, and you do get rates for 8 labels. So then once you do that, it will take you to the next page where you want to obviously buy your labels. So as you can see, mine is $1,000 for 161 labels. If it was on Shopify, it'd probably be $1,600 to $1,800 because I have international shipping too. Just how the screen looks fully, it shows how much labels you got ground advantage, how many are military, and how many are first class international, which is like out of the country price of everything. So I'm gonna hit buy labels. Boom, as you can see, it says card has declined. So I gotta go steal my grandma's card to buy these labels because it's too expensive for me. Alright, so now that I have purchased all the shipping labels, this is how my screen is gonna look, and they automatically send a tracking to the customers. So everybody that you see is not like highlighted. I gotta do this one. This is a refund. This is my man's. This is my man's too. My man's chilling now. All I gotta do is pack the orders. I'm gonna show you what it looks like to print the label and then pack the order. The one annoying thing about Pirate Ship, they don't print out the packaging slips. So what I have to do is I have to go to Shopify and then click all the archived orders that I just bought and click them all, and then print just a packaging slip so I can know what each customer ordered. So it looks like these are packaging slips. So then I'm gonna have to separate them all. So these are all the shipping labels. I'd rather do this than pay $2,000 for 160 labels than $1,000. So what you want to do is to set up your roller printer correctly, you want to put the shipping labels in like this, have it at the edge like right here, so it's like this. Line up properly, close it right, and then once it's on, you want to hold this button right here. That's how it like identifies the sizing of the paper. All right, now it should be set. Now I'm on here, and then I just hit print. Both sheets of paper are gonna be printed, and then it comes out just like this. Like I told you before, this is the packaging slip and this is the shipping label. So then I'm gonna show you how to bag it, and after that, you good to go. Alright, y'all. So as you can see, I got these I'm shipping, my labels, and then the poly mailer. So what you want to do is you want to put the packaging slip with the tee or with the hoodie, whatever you're shipping, and now I have to fold it and decompress all the air. Put it in the bag with the packaging slip so the customer knows what they ordered. For the poly mailer, you want to just peel this off and then fold it. Make sure it's all taped up good. This is the shipping label. Put it off. That. This is how it should look. And then do 200 more. So that's the whole process of getting the shipping label and packing the order for your customer. It's not that complicated. It's kind of easy actually. It's a good feeling when you do it too, because this is your work that you're sending out to everybody. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like. If you're new, subscribe. Make sure you follow my IG, which I'm going to leave right here. Follow my brand IG at OneHeartCo. If you need any more information or videos, comment down below and I got you. Appreciate y'all for supporting me.
No pockets full of blue cheese, you see that we come from that mall. And my cousin made it out, he making thousands selling clothes. I'm just glad he changed from round one loud tone pole. On the road to changing the image, I'm gonna go making better decisions. From hearing them notes.